Welcome to the Floorplan Guy, your trusted partner in dealership growth and education. In this training, we'll break down everything you need to know about floor plans, what they are, how they work, and how to use them to keep your dealership profitable, efficient, and ahead of the game. Whether you're new to floor plan financing or simply looking to sharpen your skills, this session will help you build a stronger foundation for long-term success. Running a successful dealership isn't just about finding great cars, it's about financing your inventory the smart way. In this short training, you'll also learn the key terms in lingo and best practices that protect profit and cash flow. A floor plan is a revolving line of credit used to purchase vehicle inventory. Each advance is tied to a specific unit, and you pay interest and fees while the unit sits, then pay off the principal when it sells. Think of it like a business credit card strictly for inventory. It frees up your cash for operations, marketing, reconditioning, payroll, while keeping your lot stocked. In many programs, the title stays with the lender until the vehicle is sold and paid off, helping secure the loan. Here's the life cycle of a floored unit. Purchase in advance, you buy at auction or trade. Lender advances a percentage of cost. Holding period, you pay interest daily and may owe curtailments as the unit ages. Sale and payoff, when the unit sells, you immediately remit payoff. Rinse and repeat, free the line and floor the next unit. A curtailment is a scheduled principal reduction payment required as the vehicle ages, commonly at 30, 60, 90 days and beyond, so the outstanding balance stays aligned with collateral value. Regulators view floor plan as asset-based, short-term inventory financing, with maturities and curtailments designed to keep the line healthy and periodically cleared. Knowing the lingo equals to fewer surprises. Advance rate, percent of cost a lender funds per unit, for example, 90%. Per diem interest, daily interest accrued on the floored balance, higher with higher rates and longer holding times. Curtailment, scheduled principal payment due as a unit ages, aging, days since floor date, hitting aging triggers curtailments or fee changes. Audit/floor check, lenders, inventory verification, matching units, books, titles, and deal jackets, expected periodically. UCC1 filing, public notice that the lender has a security interest in specified collateral, your floored inventory. Payoff, remitting principal and any fees immediately upon retail sale or when otherwise required. Using a floor plan properly, cash flow and risk. Your floor plan should increase velocity, not create drag. The goal is to turn inventory quickly, keep carrying costs predictable, and protect working capital. Match purchase strategy to realistic days to sell. If your market turns SUVs in 38 to 52 days, buy accordingly. Track true holding cost. Interest, plus curtailments, plus recon, plus lot fees, plus price reductions. Set aging gates, for example, 30, 45, 60 days, with price action rules to move slow units before curtailments pile up. Never wait to remit a payoff. Sold today, paid today, protects your line and keeps audits clean. Best practices, dealer playbook. Aging discipline, adopt a firm 60 to 90 day exit policy. Price to market early, don't let carrying cost erase margin. Inventory to cash flow fit. Balance inventory level with realistic sales pace. Debt and inventory should move together. Titles and docs control. Reconcile floored units to titles weekly. Secure titles and deal jackets. Be audit ready at all times. Payoff protocol. Create a same-day sold payoff SOP between sales, F&I, and accounting so nothing slips through. Curtailment calendar. Post curtailment due dates on a shared calendar. Adjust pricing or marketing 2 weeks before they hit. Insurance and compliance. Verify coverage and floor plan conditions. Lapses can trigger holds or defaults. Cost awareness and rate cycles. When rates rise, per diem cost rises, tighten aging targets and speed recon. Use your floor plan to fuel velocity and profit, not to carry aging inventory. With the right processes, your line stays healthy, audits stay clean, and cash flow stays strong. Want deeper training? Visit www.thefloorplanguy.com for courses, tools, and dealer community.